Today I bring you guys a look that I've never done before, and I was inspired by this girl that I saw on YouTube. If I could maybe put her name on here, and I will put her link down below from her. This eye look was like, it was just outstanding because it's like anything nobody ever imagined of. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it, and I did a poll on Instagram to tell me which look to do. And so if I could insert any pictures, I will insert it here and here. I'll also insert it in my thumbnail so y'all can know which one I'm talking about. But yeah, this eye look is really colorful, which I've never done before. And I did it because I actually searched up on the internet, and I was like, you know what, which color, or what did I search up on? I think I put using the BH Brazilian, Take Me Back to Brazil, something like that. It's called something like that. But yeah, I'll show you guys whenever I'm doing the tutorial. So I searched it up, and she came up. So I'm like, you know what, this looks really pretty. I want to do it, something new and everything. So I was like, you know what, yes, I'll do that. So I did it, and it actually really did came out really good. And my mom was like, you know what, first do it, like try to do it on yourself and see if you really liked it. It really comes out really good. So I was like, you know what, yes, I will do it. And so I did it, and I was like, oh my god, it came out really good. And my mom's like, you probably won't even get it the first time, but I actually did, which I'm really proud of. And so yeah, but the intro, obviously you can't see the makeup look I did, because I wanted to make this a little surprise so you guys could just see how my process is, and then at the end how everything is. I will be doing both eyes the same, but one is gonna have what the picture is supposed to be, and then the other one's just gonna be the same, not with everything. I'll try to explain more whenever I'm on the tutorial. But yeah, guys, so I think maybe I'm gonna process really fast through this tutorial. I'm probably gonna put some little like subtitles so I can tell you guys what I was using, everything on the video, so you guys can know. I mean, I could do the whole entire like process thing, but I don't know, it's kind of, you know, I'm just gonna do the eye look, not the foundation or anything, because I was like, you know what, it's a lot of the eye look, a lot of work to do on it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and totally go check out the girl's YouTube video, the one that I got the inspiration of. Obviously she did so much better. I was just copying it because I wanted to give it, you know, a try to see how it came out, and obviously it came out to my liking. So this is the second time I will be trying it, so hopefully you guys stay tuned for this video. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the video. Guys, so the palette is this one right here, Take Me Back to Brazil. This one, so the colors. something different I've never done before. But now we're gonna bronze up our face. we are back. So what do you guys think? I mean, I kind of recorded the whole entire thing. I tried to though, so please, like, bear with me if you did. But yeah, I mean, this is how I did the eye look. I really fast forward really fast because I just want to make sure, because people, when they saw this, they thought it was a sticker, honestly, and I was like, nope, it's not a sticker. I actually did it. But yes, it was so amazing doing this. I really enjoyed doing it. Like, it was like the best thing ever. Like, oh my god. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this too. As I said, I'll link down below the girl's YouTube channel, so you guys can go check her out. She's the one that inspired me to do this look, which I've never done before, and obviously it came out pretty good. I mean, yeah. And what's the difference with me and her look was that I actually did eyeliner, and I did some dots, and I did some, like, you know, like those little things that the butterflies leave whenever they leave, whatever, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I actually didn't record like the bottom look. I honestly just repeat the same colors on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, I'm not doing this eye with the butterfly because I was like, it's too much. It is 12:19, and honestly, I'm just gonna take this all off, rinse it all off, and go to sleep. So yes, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed really so much, and please give it a thumbs up. That would help me so much with this. I really want to, you know, keep on doing more videos for you guys. I honestly love doing the videos. I love editing them. I think I have a new intro too. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to insert it in this video, and an outro. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys think about this, what if I should do more crazy eye looks, or what should I do, what should I record. It would honestly help me. And until next time, guys.